Hey, technician, what's going on? Just imagine yesterday morning, Saturday, that was the 5th of April, like in the morning in Houston, Texas, it was like 8 degrees in the morning. So I went for a chop after the rain, it was like 56 degrees. Today morning, the Sunday, the 6th of April, I'm here at Waco. I'm about to replace this condensing unit. That's the old one. Guys, believe what? I'm literally freezing. My hands are freezing. My fingers are freezing. We have like 43, 44 degrees here in Waco. This is crazy. Damn. What's going on? But we say have to hustle, right? Have to hustle.